Hello and welcome back to OnlyPay. We'll be discussing about what is Chase credit card and the key benefits. Be sure to watch all the way to the end. If you are new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button below from your life-changing content. Chase credit cards are a popular way to make purchases, pay bills and even help manage debt in some cases. They are quite convenient and many may offer the chance to earn rewards. Below we'll break down the things you need to know about Chase credit cards, what they are and how they are different from debit cards and credit cards, how they work and the different types. We'll also review why and how to get a credit card and also some tips of using cards to build your credit score. What is Chase credit card and how does it work? A Chase credit card is a form of revolving credit, meaning you can borrow it whenever you want up to a limit and pay it off when it's due. Here are some important terms to know. Annual fee. Some cards charge a fee once per year for use of card. Balance. The amount of borrowed funds on your card that haven't paid off. Credit limit. The maximum balance you can incur in your credit card. Credit card networks authorize and process credit card transactions. They facilitate information transfer between merchants and issuers. Interest, as known as APR. Interest is the amount charged on the balance you carry, expressed as percentage. APR is the interest plus applicable fee, and your card can have multiple APRs, which you can purchase, cash advance and balance transfer. Issuer, the bank or financial institutions that gives you credit card, you make payment to your credit card issuer. And minimum payment, the minimum payment amount you must pay by the statement due to each billing period. How credit cards work? To use a credit card, you simply swipe, insert or tap your card at the card reader. When checking out, if you are paying a bill or shopping online, you will have to enter your credit card number, expiration date and sometimes the 3 or 4 digit security code on the back of your card. The merchant then contacts your card company to request an authorization code for transaction. If approved, the transaction will go through. The funds will transfer from the issuer to the merchant. Every bill period, around 28 to 31 days, you receive a statement containing all of your transactions for that period, your total balance and your minimum payment. You then get a decreased period, usually 21 days, but varies by the card issuer, to pay at least the minimum. If you don't pay the full balance, your issuer charges interest based on your APR, and the balance, the lender adds this interest on your balance. Unless you are using 0% inductionary APR card, making only the minimum payment may cause you interest charges to grow as a result of your unpaid balance. Paying your full balance can help you save by avoiding interest. Your insurer reports your payment activity to the credit bureaus. Consecutive timely payment may help to build your credit score over time. Let's talk about rewards points, travel miles and cashback cards. Cashback credit cards earn you points redeemable for cashback, a statement credit, gift cards or shopping at various retailers. Travel credit cards earn you points or miles on every purchase that you can use towards travel and accommodations. Some higher tier travel credit cards offer benefits such as annual travel credits, airport launch access and TSA Precheck, global entry free reimbursement. Chase credit cards can benefit you in several ways. Sign up bonuses, also known as a new card member bonuses. Many cards pay you a one-time bonus for spending a certain amount within a period of time of opening a card. Rewards. Cards help you earn cashbacks or points that can redeem towards travel, balance transfer or consolidating debt. A card may offer 0% inductionary APR or balance transfer for a period of time, giving you time to pay off debt interest free. Inductionary purchase APR. The card may offer 0% inductionary APR on purchase for a period of time as well, which could help you pay over time on large purchase. Building your credit score. Build your credit score with a credit card and you may be able to get good rates and terms on future debt. Tips for using a credit card wisely. Credit cards can cause damage to finance and credit if you don't use them wisely. Follow these steps so you get credit cards help improve and credit score instead of harming it. Number 1. Set a budget. Avoid credit card debt by setting and sticking to a budget. Make sure your spending stays below your income. Number 2. Pay your full balance on time every month. If you don't carry a balance, you won't be charged interest. Number 3. Use your card for everyday purchase you would make anyway. You have to buy things like gas and groceries, so you may as well earn rewards on those purchases. Number 4. Make a large purchase with a sign-up bonus card. With select cards, you may get some cash back. Look for a card with sign-up bonus if you are looking to make a large purchase. Number 5. Monitor your score. Check your credit score regularly using Chase Credit Journey to see how you are progressing. Make sure you don't see any errors that could be harming your scores, and if you do, report them promptly. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit and like the subscribe button, and be sure to turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss any videos just like this one. If you enjoyed this video, please give us your thoughts in the comment below, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.